Hi students, today we are going to discuss about method of variation of parameters, and this method used to solve second order differential equations of the form like this in the equation number 1 like d square y by dx square plus a1 into dy by dx plus a2y is equal to q of x. Okay, and before proceeding to this method we must know what is the Wronskian of functions. See this is the Wronskian of functions. The Wronskian of functions means the Wronskian of two functions can be taken like, for example, these are the two functions y1 of x and y2 of x denoted by w of y1 comma y2, and is defined as, this is the one, w of y1 comma y2 is equal to the determinant of y1 y2 and the derivatives of y1 and y2. See this, y1 y2 and y1 dash y2 dash, and take the determinant of this. Okay, and if the Wronskian of y1 y2 is equal to 0, then we can say y1 and y2 are linearly dependent. Otherwise, if Wronskian of y1 and y2, the two functions which is not equal to 0, then they call as a linearly independent. Okay, now let's move to the method of variation of parameters. What is the procedure, okay, to solve the second order differential equations? Okay, see, this is the step 1 here, that is find complementary function. Find the complementary function of the given second order differential equation. So after finding the complementary function, let it be yc, like whatever the complementary function you will get, let us compare with c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Okay, so that is the step 1. Next, step 2, assume the particular integral, that is yp, as u y1 plus v y2, where we know that y1 and y2 we got it from the complementary function like y1 y2. Okay, now what is u and what is v? Here check it here, where u is equal to minus integral of y2 into q of x by Wronskian of functions dx. Okay, v is equal to integral y1 into q of x by Wronskian of functions dx. So, and what is the w here, the Wronskian? I told you already, the determinant of y1 and y2 which is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is very important, which should not be equal to 0. Now the last step, step 3, the complete solution of the given equation 1 is given by y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. Okay, remember this this method we will try to apply whenever it is asking to do in the exams. Okay, now let us take a look at one problem on method of variation of parameters. Solved by the method of variation of parameters, d square y by dx square plus y is equal to cosecant x. Okay, here it is mentioned in the problem, solved by the method of variation of parameters. Okay, now check this solution. First, given differential equation in symbolic form, right? As you know already, what is a d means? D is a differential operator, d by dx. Here d square y by dx square means d square plus 1 of y is equal to cosecant x. And you know what is f of d here, d square plus 1, and the auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. Now find the roots of the auxiliary equation, that is m square plus 1 is equal to 0, that is m is equal to plus or minus I. Since the roots are complex numbers, so the complementary function will be c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now if you compare the equation 2 with yc is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2, okay, here from these two, what we will get, what is y1 here, cos x, and y2 sin x. Okay, y1 is equal to cos x, y2 is equal to sin x. So they here y1 cos x and y2 sin x, and we have q of x. Q of x is cosecant x, is nothing but whatever we got it on the RHS on the given problem. This is known as a q of x. Okay, this is q of x. Okay, now let us find the Wronskian of y1 and y2. Okay, find the Wronskian of y1 y2, that is w is equal to y1 comma y2 y1 dash and y2 dash. So cos x sin x, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, the derivative of sin x is cos x. Now you can take the determinant, that is cos square x plus sin square x, which is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. So I told you it shouldn't be equal to 0. Now let yp is equal to, now let us assume the particular integral yp is equal to u y1 plus v y2. Okay, where u is equal to minus of integral y2 into q of x by Wronskian of y1 y2 dx. Okay, that is equal to minus. As you know, what is y2 here? Sin x. That is sin x. Q of x is cosecant x taken, and Wronskian of y1 y2 is 1 here taken here, and dx integration. Now 1 by cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x, so sin x cancel, integral, and this minus is there, so minus integral dx is minus x. Okay, where u is equal to minus x we got here. Now let us find v. V is equal to y1 integral y1 q of x by Wronskian of y1 y2 dx is equal to cos x cosecant x by 1 dx. So cos x into 1 by sin x is nothing but cot x. The integral of cot x is log of sin x. So where v is equal to log of sin x. Okay, where u is equal to minus x, v is equal to log of sin x. Therefore, the particular integral, what we already assumed, okay, here yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2, substitute in that. Therefore, yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2 is equal to minus x cos x plus log of sin x into sin x. As you know, y1 is what? Y1 is cos x here. Okay, y1 is cos x and y2 is sin x. Okay, substituting u, we already got minus x v log sin x. So where we got getting the particular integral minus x cos x plus log of sin x into sin x. So now from 2 and 3 the complete solution, from 2 and 3 the required solution is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus x cos x plus sin x into log of sin x. So this is the required solution of the given second order differential equation by using the method of variation of parameters. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you. Hi students, let us solve one more problem by using method of variation of parameters. So that is here, solve d square plus a square of y is equal to tan ax. So the given differential equation is d square plus a square of y is equal to tan ax. Now let us find the complementary function here. So here f of d is equal to d square plus a square. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. Now the roots of the auxiliary equation are plus or minus a. Since the roots are complex numbers, the complementary function is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Now comparing this equation to with c1 y1 plus c2 y2, where we are getting y1 is equal to cos ax, y2 is equal to sin ax. Okay, and where q of x is equal to tan x. As you know, what is the q of x? Here this is the q of x. Okay, and q of x is equal to tan ax. Now also Wronskian determinant of y1 y2, that is the determinant y1 y2, that is y1 dash y2 dash cos ax sin ax, and the derivative minus a sin ax, derivative of sin ax is a cos ax. The determinant gives a cos square ax plus sin square ax, which is a. Now let us find particular integral. Let yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2, where u is equal to minus integral of y2 into q of x by Wronskian dx. So where you know that minus y2 is sin x, q of x is tan x by a dx, minus 1 by a integral sin square x by cos x dx. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x by cos x dx. Okay, is equal to minus 1 by a integral. If I separate them as 1 by cos x minus cos square x by cos x get cancelled. 1 by cos x is secant x minus integral cos x dx. The integral of secant x is log secant x by plus tan x by a, so that gives minus 1 by a square plus 1 by a square sin x, since integral cos x is sin x. And v is equal to integral y2 into q of x by Wronskian determinant dx is equal to integral cos x tan x by a. So cos x get cancelled, sin x remains, so minus 1 by a square cos ax here. Okay, now from this v is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax. Therefore yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2. So as you got already u and v from this, substituting in this, we will get the particular integral. Now from 2 and 3, the required solution is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin x minus, by simplifying this, the two terms get cancelled. This term only remains here, that is minus cos ax by a square into log of secant x plus tan x. I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye.